Lord, my right to adduce evidence was closed by the impugned order. That is under challenge.
जी
My lord, admittedly, six opportunities were granted. There is no
अब
dispute.
आज 5 साल बाद क्या होगा, स्टे है क्या?
My lord, stay is not there, but
फिर
tomorrow the
उसका
case is listed before trial court for arguments. Notices were issued.
यू आर द डिफेंडेंट.
Yes, my lord.
5 साल में क्यों नहीं आपने एप्लीकेशन लगाई, ये सब किया? आप तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सेट द क्लॉक बैक.
My lord, in fact, my respectful submission is that, my lord, if there is a provision under a act to adduce evidence at appellate stage, so I will just pursue, my lord, any reasonable cost may be imposed, and I will
पढ़िएगा
deposit
ना
tomorrow.
ऑर्डर, ऑर्डर तो पढ़िएगा. वो तो कॉस्ट
जी.
बहुत बड़े वकील कॉस्ट जमा कराने से कहाँ पीछे हटते हैं. अनावेदक की ओर से एक आवेदन पत्र अंतर्गत आदेश 17 नियम 1 पेश कर व्यक्त किया गया
Yes, ma'am.
कि रमजान का महीना शुरू हो जाने से अनावेदक रोजे पर है, जिस
जी.
कारण वह आज साक्ष्य देने में असमर्थ है. क्यों? क्योंकि रोजे में झूठ नहीं बोलते.
My lord, that is not actually
फिर
he
क्या
was
कारण
not.
था?
Uh,
अनावेदक को आपत्ति है कि अंतिम अवसर और अनेकों अवसर दिए जा चुके हैं. अनावेदक ना तो साक्ष्य पेश कर रहा है, ना ही पूर्व का हर्जा अदा किया जा रहा है.
my lord,
साक्ष्य का अवसर समाप्त किया जाए.
factually, my lord, there is no dispute. My only ground is that they were
कितनी
also
कॉस्ट लग
granted.
चुकी थी आपको? 500 रुपए हर्जे पर, 200 रुपए हर्जे पर, 1000 रुपए हर्जे पर, 2000 रुपए हर्जे पर.
जी.
अब कितना 50,000 रुपए हर्जा लगाना पड़ेगा?
My lord,
इतना
in
बड़ा
fact,
मुकदमा भी है कि नहीं है?
my lord, it's a application filed under Section 3 of Muslim Women Protection Act.
हाँ ठीक है ना.
And for Meher, my lord, only reason why I'm seeing
आपकी पत्नी
interference.
है,
Pardon me?
आपकी पत्नी है.
My lord, my allegation is that she deserted me and she has already married to some person and living with that. Therefore, that evidence will be relevant.
क्यों नहीं, आपने क्यों नहीं किया? रोजे में ये करने से कहाँ बंधन था? आज 6 साल 5 साल बाद नहीं करूंगा. 2019 का ऑर्डर है.
My,
आप अगर इतने ही विजिलेंट थे तो स्टे ले लेना चाहिए था आपको.
my lord, in fact,
5 साल बाद कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा.
my lord, 1-7, my lord, may kindly see notices were issued.
हाँ, आई नो दैट, आई हैव सीन इट. देखिएगा, petitioner has filed this petition, miscellaneous petition challenging order dated 8/5/2019 passed by learned principal judge of family court schedule in MJC number 2003/16, closing the right of the present petitioner defendant to lead evidence. Next pair. It is submitted by Shri Atul Chaudhary that wife has filed a case for recovery of Meher.
Yes, ma'am.
Full stop. It is submitted that respondent wife had deserted him and is already married to somebody else, and therefore the opportunity to lead evidence be granted to the petitioner. Next para. On perusal, Shri, इनका भी नाम डाल लीजिएगा, opposes the prayer.
Bhupendra Mishra.
After hearing the counsel for the parties and going through the record, it is evident that in the order dated 8/5/2019, it is mentioned that on 18/11/18, matter was fixed for evidence of the defendant. Full stop. On 6/12/2018, on cost of ₹500, time was granted. On 7/2/19, on cost of ₹200, time was granted. On 13/2/19, subject to cost of ₹1,000, time was granted. And then again on 5/3/19, subject to cost of ₹2,000, time was, and last opportunity was granted. Thereafter on 8/4/19 and 16/4/19 also, 2 additional opportunities were granted to the present petitioner defendant who failed to lead evidence and then came out with an excuse of Rojas on 8/5/19. Full stop. When examined from this perspective, then when impugned order is just, right and correct and does not call for any interference in the supervisory jurisdiction of the court. Full stop. Petitioner has been grossly negligent in conduct of the trial and he should face the consequences, especially when Shri Atul Chaudhary admits that tomorrow case is fixed for final hearing. Petition fails and is dismissed.
My lord, only ground was that they were also granted 9 items.
ठीक है, चलिए कोई बात नहीं. आप पति हैं, चलिए.